Hey guys, good morning. Good morning America. Good evening Philippines. So, what's new to me? Nothing. I go back to work. So, yes, hello to my chunky arm right here. Very chunky. You see? People like driving like go. Yo. Like, yo, you're not going anywhere. You see, you're still in front of me. You're gonna go far? No, you're still there. You know, like crazy. Me, I'm so nice in the highway. Like if ever like somebody's like gonna come, you know, yield, I'm gonna let them in. Like I'm not going anywhere. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm wearing my Meta glasses today. You know what, guys? For some of you that hesitating to buy this Meta glasses, go. No, don't hesitate. Just buy. It's a really good deal. Worth it. Like hassle-free. Very easy. Like capturing, like mostly the people like love taking pictures, you know, like whatever you see that you want to take a picture, easy. Take a video, easy. It's just like the battery is like it's fast to drain the battery, but it's fine. You have a portable charger, you know. You have the case. That's you can charge your thing over there, so it's fine. And it's easy to charge too. It's not that like, oh, I need an hour to full charge. No, just put it in 30 minutes. You can you go again. So yeah, I love this one. Calls, music, and everything. Hands free. Very good, very nice. But it's just like I bought the one that is not Asian fit. That's why it's going down in my nose, because you know we have a cute nose. You know, it's going down whenever, like mostly when I'm oily, I'm sweating, so it's going down. Hi, today's Friday. It's payday, so I love Fridays. I'm always in a good mood because it's like payday, and then this is my last day of work. You know, I'm day off the next day. You know, but it's not crazy. My Saturday is like laundry day, cleaning day. You know, but I still go out to eat. That's only my rest, and sometimes yeah, I do my nails, but nothing crazy. It's Saturday, so payday. I already paid off my credit card. I don't want my credit card to be like big amount like my balance. No, I always like maintain how much the maximum that I want, you know, I maintain. If I see like, oops, my limit like to pay, like oops, that's it. Pay. That's why I don't owe a lot. Like yeah, like I'm not owing like oh my credit card. I only use one credit card, and then it's only like little purchases, you know. A big purchase, I just paid cash. Like I really don't use credit card. My credit card I only use like for $20, $10 right there, $5, $50, $100. But every week I'm paying it, so I'm not really having like. So that's how I do. That's what I do, you know, because you know you need to be like, you need to good in budgeting like your money. Mostly if you live in America, there's a lot of paying here. Like you have a lot of things to pay. Oh my goodness, like even you're tired, even you're sick, you're gonna have to go to work just to make that hours to complete your money. Because you know, like me, I'm checking my money every week that I need. So that's why I can like, oh, I need these hours of working because I need this amount of money this week. That's me. That's why even I'm sick, I go to work. You know, I can skip because of my bills. You know, but I can't wait to finish my car. I'm gonna finish my car soon. I just bought this, but that's what I said. I'm good saving money, so I'm gonna pay my car soon. So I'm just gonna pay cash. I'm just save and then pay cash. So if I pay when I pay my car, Oh my goodness. I don't have a lot of bills anymore. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to pay off my car. Oh my goodness. Like, I hope I save more after that. But, you know, we have a habit that if we don't pay a lot, we don't save money. It's supposed to be like, you know, if you don't pay a lot, you save money. But it is crazy. Like, if you're paying a lot, you save. If you're not paying a lot, your savings is the same thing. You know, it's crazy. Like, that's what's happening to me. Like, I don't know for you guys, but that's what's happening to me. If I paid less, if I'm paying less, I save less. It's crazy. If I'm paying more, I'm saving more. I don't know how, but yeah. So I hope I have a good day today. I'm in a good mood even though I don't eat yet. I'm just gonna buy a sandwich in the vending machine in my job because I really don't have appetite. See? I don't have appetite. That's weird, you know. That's weird to hear because I'm always hungry, but right now I don't know. But all I want is the Dubai cups. I want to buy cups. I'm gonna buy again tonight. I'm gonna buy again. You should try, guys, the Dubai cups, like the strawberry with Gaddafi chocolate. Like, ooh. I'm close to my job though. It's 8 o'clock. Dang, it's early. So maybe I can edit this video and upload. You know, I'm in the mood to, you know, filming. So like what I said, we're gonna do like I'm driving videos. You know, I'm gonna tell you some stories, some bullshit. So let me know. Put comment down below. What else you wanna know? You know, like how to apply jobs here in America. You know, how much the minimum pay here. Yeah, you can talk about that. I know everybody wanna know about that. Just put comments so I know if I wanna know if you really wanna know. But yeah, let's go. You see, I don't have hair here. I lost a lot of hair. You see, it's crazy. Oh my gosh. What? Me first. Okay, me first. Sorry. So this is the good thing in our US too. Like, everybody have a discipline. Mostly here in my area. Discipline, like if it's four-way stop sign, everybody like, you know, who's first. In the Philippines, no. Like, just the vibe. Like, oh, me first, you know? It's crazy. That's in the Philippines. But that's why I love driving here in the US. It's easy. And mostly the highway is so wide, you know. And then I did some driving lessons. That's why I have a habit that in my front, I'm not too close. Like 2 cars apart. That's how I drive. I never like so close because I don't know. Because that's how I get used to because of my driving lessons before. I spend a lot. I spend like $600 for my driving lessons. It's crazy, but it's worth it. It's after that, I almost failed for my test, for my driving test. It's crazy. I almost failed because I stopped in stop sign, but I didn't wait for the other car to pass. I just stop and then I just go because I thought I can do that because I just stopped, you know. And then because I'm the one who's gonna enter the highway, the road, I need to wait for that car to be passed fully. It's not like I just stop in the full stop sign. It's just like I'm ready to go. So for me, who's in my head, oh, he's far, and then, you know, I still can go even though, yeah, I stop, right? And then I see him, he's coming, but he's far, so I just go. And then, you know, I almost feel like the instructor is gonna fail me, and then I'm just like so mad. I'm so mad. And then yeah, and then my instructor, the one that teach me, he just like talked to the instructor to do it again, because I'm doing good. Like in the practice, I'm doing good, and then in the test, I failed after I spent 600, and then yeah, we do it again, and then I pass. So I'm so happy. And then yeah, you see, I'm driving, but I'm crazy because I have a I have a 2 driving ticket, and then I spend a lot of money because I paid for that shit. It's like, it's crazy. You know how crazy it is? It's like 2 weeks. Like for example, the day I got a ticket, and then after one week and a half, I got a ticket again. That's how crazy it is. How I drive crazy. But I'm so mad to myself. I'm like, shit, the cops again. I'm so mad that day. Like, oh my gosh, like why? But yeah, I'm here in my job now. I'm gonna park, and then I'm gonna edit this video, and let's see, you guys watch this video. And yeah, I park. Bye.